Talk about the weather right now. Lonnie is here. Got some rain today. Got a whole lot of it, right?
Yeah, and much needed rain. It's going to get better as you move along, and we're going to talk about that. First, we'll start off with the weather watchers, and let's just see some of the reports we're getting out there. How about right here? 71-degree reading from Tom Carrero. Tom, welcome to the show. I think it's the first time I've had you on. What are you telling me, Tom? You were saying some much-needed rain. This is exactly what Maurice was just saying. The humidity made it quite uncomfortable. Yeah, you're right about that. I will say, as we look ahead and we get a little further into this week, you're going to find the humidity going away, and I think you'll enjoy the long-term forecast, but let's just get you outside right now to what I see, and that is kind of a cloudy sky. Not necessarily the rain in New York City. Still a few drops around for the city, but it's further east and to the south where we find some rain that's currently falling. 70 degrees right now. Your high temperature, whoa, that was a slow one. High temperature was 76. So even though you had all that cloud cover out there, right, and you had the rain-cooled air, still kept it 2 degrees above the average. Average this time of year 74. Well, you were 76. And if you're wondering about when does fall begin, Thursday at 10:21 in the morning, so 3 days from now. Again, you should be around 73, 74 degrees for the first day of fall. Not this year. We're going to be above it. Now, all these little icons right now on our map shows you where we had, like, the rainfall. For example, right here in Monmouth County, we picked up 2.2 inches. Bigger rainfall amounts down around Long Beach Island, the east end of Long Island as well. And that's where you see these little icons with little houses and the water surrounding it. Flash flooding anywhere from Long Beach Island down towards Atlantic City and out in portions of Suffolk County as well. And there could still be a bit of rain falling in those two spots, but it's not the real heavy stuff. The heavy stuff is now out into the ocean, raining on the fish. We still have, though, behind this, little bit of unsettled weather that could spark up. So we're seeing, a moderate to heavy, very spotty downpour developing around Sullivan County, and anybody tonight could see that as you finish out this day, moving into the first part of your day tomorrow. Second part of tomorrow, we're breaking into this air mass, okay, which is going to be an improving sky, and then you can see this front back around the Great Lakes. It's still going to be warm tomorrow. Still going to be sticky. Some of my weather watchers talking about the humidity out there. Still with us tomorrow. It's on the other side of this front. Okay, once that front slides through, then you tap into the comfortable lower humidity air that's going to be nice. And if you're wondering when that happens, well, it all starts up on Wednesday, and then as you go into Thursday, your first day of fall, it's really going to be kind of warm, but a nice-looking sky out there. As far as Carl, this is Carl right there, a tropical storm. It is moving to the west-northwest, but right now the forecast trend, see that big curve out to sea? Important for us, but you keep an eye on the folks in Bermuda. If you have interest there, I'll monitor the whole thing, but they have this growing to a Cat 2 hurricane. Again, that's just a forecast. It could change, but right now we do see it curving out to sea somewhere in the vicinity of Bermuda. Your extended forecast shows you the temperatures I'm talking about. For your first day of fall, looking at 83 degrees. That's well above average, about 10 degrees above average.
Okay. Thank you.